Hi beautiful lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are excited to share with you some cool and easy to make crochet cap designs ideas that are perfect for any season. Hope so you like this video and different collections, so please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. From Bohemians to intricacy elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experted crocheter, these design ideas perfect for you. For decor your new look, check out these stylish designs that you can customize to fit your style and size. We will show you how to create beautiful textures using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize, how to create banyan, cuff or pom-pom to fit your perfectness. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create crochet beautiful caps designs ideas and many different accessories. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work like crochet work baby frocks, ladies dresses, caps, hats, gloves, fingerless gloves, baby booties and many more accessories if you want to see. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas till end. And the best part, you can pair your crochet cap with anything. Pair it with a cozy sweater or a leather jacket or a flory dress for a chic and comfort look. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs, more inspirations. If you want to decor your crochet cap, you decor with the help of crochet flowers, different beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, different accessories you use and decor your crochet cap easily. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs. Keep watching my more different ideas till and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long. Okay viewers, take care of yourself and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.